me take off my glasses. Move my bang to the side. I'm very afraid of my nipples falling out, but we're gonna have fun. Like, oh yeah! Yes! This is my season rivalry! Time to take a shot.
Yo, Batty, shut up!
Exactly. Yeah! Yes, sir, Ski.
I'm like, bitch, that's my cookie.
On the way
it's
to
my
the
juice,
club,
okay.
y'all.
We don't know whose house this is, but period.
Hello, everyone! So, back again with another New Year's Eve vlog. I'm in New York City and am about to get dressed. Let me show you the fit. Okay, for Black Friday, I got this dress from Lip Service. I'm so excited, it's so cute. I've honestly been eyeing it for so long, but I'm obsessed with like, what are these? Obsessed with the locks and all the details. And then from Lip Service, I also got these crazy red vinyl gloves that I'm super excited about because they match the exact shade of my glasses. Then of course, gotta get some tights. A hoe never gets cold, but I don't know. Need some reinforcements sometimes, so. Let me do my makeup and then I'll be back. Okay, y'all, this is the final makeup look. Wait, let me take off my glasses. Move my bang to the side. I was like, I have to be smoky and sexy tonight. Like, come on. So then I have the final fit. Get into it. I love this outfit. I'm very afraid of my nipples falling out, but we're gonna have fun. Like, get turned with the homies.
Hey.
So now I'm about to go to a pregame at my bestie Jane's house, and yeah, it's gonna be a fun night. Stay tuned, stay tuned.
Stop recording?
Yes. Yes! Nasira into tea! Yeah!
Polka dot ties, bodycon dress. I mean,
You look so good.
I made that.
Yeah,
I made
Gwen.
that.
Let's see the face. Scoot back, scoot back. Let's see the face. Yes, Gwen!
Right, I braided that. I see it's sort of
Yeah.
shirt. Smash it and I made this. It's our 2-year anniversary.
Love is real. Love is real.
Love.
Gay rights. Love is love.
Love is love.
Keep fighting.
Yes! This is my season rivalry.
They like knock on the car door and they're like, kiss again, kiss again.
Jane, let's see the fit. Let's see the fit.
Oh my god, 2026. What are they like?
Wait, 2020 fucking shit.
We're here.
Yes.
Keep it up, don't play. You gotta watch your girl,
got the
watch your
drink.
man, watch your non-binary.
Yes.
Watch the drink.
The fit. Yeah. Giving 70s my thing.
Show the clip.
Show the clips. Exactly. Yeah.
Sit on the couch.
Mama, let me see the fit. Now it's time to take a shot.
Yo, Batty, shut up. Right? We got the lip service. Exactly. Yes. Yeah.
Look at this. Like, who you know got this? Who you know? Hey, custom. Y'all heard of custom before? Yeah. Y'all heard of gay rights before? Yeah.
You better.
You better fucking know.
Or else, bitch. Or else, bitch. Cause I'm a witch, bitch. I'll find you, bitch.
Give us recommendations.
I'm about to bleep so much out.
On a daily basis. Baby, get Mars twerking. I'm keeping up to daily basis. We not friends, we not
Okay, we're about to go to the club.
Yes, sir. The club.
You ate with the cheese.
Yes, sir, Ski.
I'm like, bitch, that's my cookie.
On the way
it's
to
my
the
juice,
club,
okay.
y'all. We turn.
It's what's a bit happy new year.
Yeah.
It's what's a bit happy new year.
Watching you. before the construct.
Period.
I was so scared.
He made it before the construct. We made it.
Everyone in the world to give me what I wanted. I wouldn't try for more than I had. Please, I'll hit it.
Oh, that's our joint. Hold on.
You got it.
That's a roach. That's okay. That's a roach. We can let it go.
Hey,
Eminem on them right quick.
Good, bro.
That feeling when you accidentally do a bandana cosplay, like, curious. That's New Year's.
Hey, we're about to go to after, y'all. What do you know about it? We got the after or whatever. Somebody's house. We don't know whose house this is, but period. But look at me, y'all. We're at the after. We're at the after. We get something. Period. We're at the after. We don't know who this is.
Hey y'all, it's the next day. Had an amazing New Year's. It's my outfit because I'm manifesting abundance, okay? Like, yeah. But fuck him though, fuck him. Anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed my vlog. It was so fun. And I hope you guys have the best New Year's. 2026, we're taking over the world.